Welcome in today's class, student. In our previous class, we discussed about local self-government at rural level. We call local self-government at rural level, or we know it as Gram Panchayat, and the head of Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch or Pradhan. They are elected for a period of 5 years by the people of the village who are above or age of 18 years. Now, there are some seats reserved for the women, for the scheduled caste and for the scheduled tribes in the Gram Panchayat. The minimum and the maximum number of members depend upon the size of population, which varies from minimum 7 to maximum 17. We also discussed the functions of Gram Panchayat, which includes maintaining cleanliness of the village, planting trees, providing clean drinking waters, health facilities, education, streets construction, road construction, etc. Now today we are going to discuss about the urban area local self-government. What we call the government which works in towns and cities. As you know that the rural local government in India seeks to look after the needs and welfare of village people, and the local government directly falls under the control of state government. In the same way, the urban local self-government, it seeks to look after the needs and welfare of towns and cities. So, the urban local self-government, it takes care of the affairs of the areas of cities and town, just like the Gram Panchayat which works at village level. The urban local government implies the governance of an urban area by the people through their elected representative. Now these are of two kinds: municipal corporation and municipal committees. Municipal committees are also known as municipalities, and they are implied or they are working at town level. So the urban local self-government, which is further divided into municipal corporation and municipal committees. Now municipal corporation and committees, the work is almost same. The only difference is municipal corporation, it works in big cities like Mumbai, New Delhi, Allahabad, etc. And the municipal committees, they are also known as municipalities. They work in small towns like Jhalwa, Phulpur, etc. So the work is same, but the only difference is the size of areas in which they are working. The head of corporation or the municipal corporation is known as mayor. Now, how the mayor or the other members are elected? They are elected by the people of the town and cities. Now, we will discuss how a municipal committee is formed. See, the members are elected by the people, or they are chosen from among the resident of the town. उस टाउन में रहने वाले लोगों के बीच में से ही हम उन्हें चूज़ करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं जो पूरे एरिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Only those who are 18 or above can vote or stand for elections. जिनकी एज 18 और अबव है, ओनली दे कैन कास्ट वोट और इस इलेक्शंस में खड़े हो सकते हैं, यानी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं इन इलेक्शंस में. दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ मेयर, चेयरमैन, काउंसलर्स एक्सेट्रा. Now a town or city is divided into many wards. जो आपके cities और town होते हैं उन्हें छोटे छोटे ward में divide कर दिया जाता है. The people of each ward elect one member. हर ward से एक member को elect किया जाता है. For example, अगर town में there are 20 wards, तो हर वार्ड से एक एक म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिल लिया जाएगा एंड वी विल हैव 20 इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स. ये जो वार्ड से इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स हैं, दे आर नोन एज काउंसिलर्स. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. द पीपल who are elected from each ward, they are called councillors. The person who heads the municipal council, इन काउंसलर्स की जो काउंसिल होती है, द पर्सन हु हेड्स दैट काउंसिल इज कॉल्ड चेयरमैन. द काउंसलर्स इलेक्ट द चेयरमैन. ये हर वार्ड से जो 20, 30, 40 जितने भी वार्ड हैं उनमें से एक एक मेंबर इलेक्ट होगा. वो मेंबर फर्दर सेलेक्ट करेगा अपने लिए एक चेयरमैन और टाउन के लिए या फिर सिटी के लिए एक चेयरमैन. द हेड ऑफ अ म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इज कॉल्ड मेयर एंड द हेड ऑफ अ म्यूनिसिपल कमिटी इज कॉल्ड चेयरमैन. कमिटी छोटी होती है और कॉरपोरेशन बड़ी होती है. आपको पहले भी बताया है that municipal committees, they work in small towns and municipal corporation, they works in big cities. So the head of municipal corporation is called mayor. Who is the mayor of Prayagraj? Abhilasha Gupta Nandi. And the chairman, like the chairman of Phulpur, Mr. Amarnath Singh Yadav. So there are members from each ward. They are called councillors. Now the council, जो इनका ग्रुप होता है काउंसलर्स का, that is called council. और काउंसिल इलेक्ट करती है चेयरमैन को. The councillors elect the chairman. The head of a municipal corporation is called the mayor. They get their funds for its functioning through the various taxes paid by the people of that town. These can be property tax, road tax, toll tax, etc. इन्हें मनी कहाँ से आती है? For functioning. They collect taxes from the people who live in towns and cities. The taxes are of various kinds, like property tax, road tax, house tax, water tax, etc. Thus, it is important for us to pay taxes on time. इसीलिए हमें अपने taxes हमेशा time से pay करने चाहिए. If we will not pay taxes on time, these municipal corporation and committee, they won't be able to work properly. Now I hope the formation is clear to you. In our next class we will discuss about the functions of municipal corporation. Thank you everyone.